going on, guys? We have a pretty exciting adventure for you all today. Apologize, it's probably loud because we're under a big bridge, but we're going to be taking our kayaks here, and we're going to be taking our magnets, and we're going to be going out and magnet fishing under this big bridge. We've been here before and found some things, but we keep getting hung up on rocks, so we're going to take our kayaks and go out there and see what we can find. Hopefully we find something really cool, but enough talking, let's get out there and see what we can find, guys. All right, guys, so here comes the fun part. Jordan's got something on the end of the rope. I'm stuck currently. Hey, buddy, what'd you get?
I got this.
Ooh!
It's a metal turd.
A metal turd. Huh, interesting.
Just a piece of metal.
Let me see it. Yeah, I guess so. I got some nails. Old nails.
You just drop it right down on top of it.
I got the nail. Oh, grab it, grab it, grab it.
Oh, it's really long.
Yeah, it is.
All right.
Oh my. We got this giant piece of cable or metal, or it don't look like cable. They don't have the fiber ends on it.
I don't know what it is. Dripping all over my shoes.
Ew. There it is. Big thing of cable or wire or metal or whatever it is. Okay, cool. All right, good team effort.
There it is.
Jeez. Squiggly thingy. I found a squiggly thingy, wherever that is. Oh, hey, I got something heavy. I'm pulling it though. Huh? Are you two? Oh!
More of that stuff.
Yeah. More. It is cable. Oh, that's a coin.
Really?
No, it's not. It's a washer, I think. Maybe, I don't know. What? Oh, dude, it totally is some kind of coin. Dude. Guys, this looks like some kind of coin. And well, we're in America, which means our coins are not magnetic. Dude, holy crap. I wonder what this is. Whoa. What?
Bring me closer.
Oh.
That's awesome, man.
Dude, I'm really excited about finding out what this is. Alright, so found a coin. This looks like an old razor blade.
I found a nail.
Jordan found a nail. This looks like an old razor. I pulled up like a whole bunch of crap on one thing here. This looks like an old razor blade, maybe? It's hard to tell. This is just an old piece of whatever. This is a nugget. I don't know what that is. Interesting. And then some old just slabs of metal here. Oh no, dude, it like shattered. Oh, dude.
It like exploded in my back.
Dude, oh my god, it like shattered into pieces. Oh, that's gross. I'm so glad I was in your kayak.
Oh my god. Get away from me.
That cable shattered. It's just like all over him.
See if I ever carry your bucket again.
Oh,
How far we went.
where are we? Dang. That's a solid chunk of metal. Hold on, I'm coming. Dang.
So I just pulled up this.
Wow.
So this is the main thing, a big, giant, flat piece of metal.
It's
Not quite the size of a license plate, I don't think.
No, not quite, but it's definitely big.
Something.
Huh.
And then this little skinny thing.
Little. Jordan just had a fantastic idea. We're gonna go down. There's an old railroad train just right down from us here. We're gonna go down there. All right, so Jordan found the first railroad spike. Heck yeah. Nice. We're gonna find a few more of these.
Maybe.
While we're here. I got something heavy. A bunch of railroad spikes. Oh, what is that? I got a big boat and it's got the clamp still attached to it. That's awesome. Wow, that's a big old nut, Jordan. What? How are you pulling that? I can't even budget in this kayak. Your kayak must have a lot more stability than mine does. I mean, holy crap. Oh my God, what are you pulling up?
Let me flip.
I'm trying to hold you, but I'll get up here, I'll grab hold of it. Oh my God. Jesus.
Why is it so heavy? It's not that big.
I don't know. Wow. So we found another giant piece of metal. Jesus. It was heavy as all get out. Oh my God. Full of hose. I guess it's like a plate from up top of the train bridge or something. Yay! Railroad spike! And another piece of something. Looks like, oh, it broke. It looked like the top of a railroad spike. Now it's kind of like a nut. Woohoo! Got my first railroad spike over here. Yay! Hey! Another railroad spike! Yay! Jordan got a bolt. I got another railroad spike. I win. I have a giant washer.
So everything here is oversized.
Goes with her giant boat. Yay! Railroad spike and a pack of ketchup.
No, I'm so heavy.
Another railroad spike. Nice. And then mushroom head. And a... It's a packet, but I think it was caught between my thing. Yay! Yay! I got, I think 4 in here. A railroad spike. Yay! Oh, I got something. Feels like another railroad spike. Oh God, it is!
Wow.
All the railroad spikes up in this house. We are. Another one! Another railroad spike.
Are you feeling them when you're back home?
Yeah. Hey! Jordan got a railroad spike. Railroad spike! We found so many. I think I got another one, Jordan. I do. Another one. Oh my God. Yay! My God. So many railroad spikes. Got another one. Look at all the railroad spikes, guys. Look at. Yay! I got it. Oh, Manny. Jordan, I got another. Jordan, I got another. Jordan's gonna kill me. You got another railroad spike and a giant boat or something. You got one? Nice. Yeah. Oh, that's not a railroad. What is it? The old metal boat thingy. Yeah. Whoa! 2 in 1. Hold on. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming.
2 in 1.
Dude! 2 in 1. We're like way apart from each other. Oh, it's another one of those giant metal plates.
Yeah.
Whew.
Is that what the spike's going?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, we're building a railroad.
We are building a railroad. What's up, guys? So we just finished our magnet fishing out here in the creek. As you can see, we're quite dirty. It was a very eventful thing, as you saw in the video. We found a crap ton of stuff. We'll try to pick it up and show you. But crap ton of stuff.
That's not even quite all of it, because getting out of the river,
You tell me, Jordan.
I took a spill and the whole bucket flipped upside down. I didn't flip over, but the bucket did, sadly.
Yeah.
But we magnet fished it all out again. Well, most of it. We're still missing a couple things that you saw us find in the video.
Yeah.
But at least you saw it in the video.
Yeah. You saw it in the video, man. We found a crap ton of railroad spikes, which was awesome, and we actually got most of them still. I think we only ended up missing one of them and the end of it, and I think a giant nut or something. So we got most of it back, which is awesome. But we're tired.
Yes.
We're not done here. There's still a lot of area to cover, so we're gonna come back and see if we can find some more stuff. If you're enjoying our magnet fishing video, guys, of course you know what to do. Make sure to leave us some thumbs up. Drop us some comments if you want to see us do more of this kayaking and magnet fishing, and of course make sure you subscribe. Until next time, guys, keep it real.